Good morning, teacher Willie here. I'm going to show you the topic for graphic sources. Okay, we begin with the content of the week 5. First topic talks about the graphic sources on page 171. Let's check the guidelines on this page. In the first guideline, mentions some examples of graphic sources. A graphic source such as picture, diagram, or chart organizes information and helps you understand what you read. On the next guideline, it mentions that if you preview a graphic source, you will get an idea of the contents of the lecture. For example, in this graphic source is represented the annual budget, or how much money a company spends in special effects. As you can see, most of the money is spent on lighting, and the less money that is spent is on makeup. In this guideline, suggests us that compare the information of the text with the graphic source. Okay, this text is about special effects in film and television, and as you can see here in this picture of a humanoid robot, it's only shown as part of a special effects in a film or television. The last point is asking us to use the organizer, this organizer, to get the details of the main idea from the lecture on page 175. On page 175, the first question is on the right side, is giving you the instruction to preview the topic below, and is asking you if you can tell what is the lecture about. Only by looking at the graphic source, in this case, the picture, okay? What is the lecture about? By only looking at this man who is on his computer. Is he only watching Toy Story, or is he working on some special effects? The second question is asking you which items mentioned in the text are shown in the picture below. I'll show you one, the most obvious. The computer. Computer is mentioned here in the text, so it is also shown here in the picture. So you need to find for some other words that are mentioned and that are here on the picture. Okay, can you find any more items? The third question is a strategy that we reviewed last week. I hope you can remember, which is to find the main idea. Okay, you need to find the main idea on this paragraph. Okay, now it's your turn. Go ahead and start doing the exercises. On page 198, the first exercise for graphic sources topic is the one that we already mentioned about the annual budget, and here are some questions to answer. On page 199, there is an easy writing exercise with only 2 questions. Although on the second question, I will give you a hint, since it's asking you for words that link ideas. So I will suggest you to look at this simple video, which you can find in YouTube. And it tells you that these linking words are also called transition words. And it will help you find the 4 words that are needed to find on this second question. And finally, on pages 204 and 205, it's about the same topic about graphic sources. I'm pretty sure you can answer this question using only this. And that will be all.